Here we are going to create our very first simple application using C Sharp and .NET Framework. Cool, let's get started. Well, I'm a Git lover, so I'm going to start by typing the name of my application. Let's call it Hello Universe CS. So what I'm going to do now is going to open it with a notepad. I'm going to start off by defining the class name. Let's call this just let's give it the same name, uh, universe. We open brackets and close them. Inside we create a static void main. You don't need to define anything inside. Open and close brackets, and inside we can system console write line, and here inside we can write whatever we want. Hello universe. And basically our application is already made with program code. The only thing that we need now to do is to compile this application and run it. So in order to compile it, we do CSC, give up the name of the file. It will do some things, and it's telling me that there's something wrong. Basically, the NAM system starting it in the how context. So what it means is this is actually not well spelled. Okay, so let's try it again. By the way, that was let's see now. Yes, we see the file was compiled because it's a text console log file. I could run it by just double clicking on it, but I wouldn't be able to see anything. So I will do it from the console, from the command line. The way you do this in Linux or in the Git batch is by using / and the name of the file program. And as we can see, the file is run and it has shown display the message hello universe.